I'm Anastasia Chatzka. I'm a fashion designer, pattern maker, and sewing educator, and I'm so happy you're here sewing along with me today. I'm going to show you the easiest, most basic way to hem something today, and it is so easy that everyone can do this. And you can use this hem on everything. You could hem a dress, you could hem a skirt, a pants, shirt, curtains, just about anything with a single folded hem. So today I'm gonna go over exactly how to create a single folded hem. The first thing you need is something to shorten. So today I'm going to be shortening this dress. It's got a raw hem right now. So I'm gonna show you how to finish it and turn it up. It's like being at a party, turning it up. So I have a dress here that needs to be finished. It's already the length I want it with the seam allowance included. So what we need to do is finish the edge, and then we are going to turn it up, creating that single fold hem. Now, how wide does it need to be? A single folded hem could be a ½ inch, it could be an inch, it could be 2 inches, it could be a ¼ of an inch, it could be any width of a hem that you choose. And it's called a single folded hem because it's only folded up once. Now, if we were to fold it again, that would be called a double folded hem or a rolled hem. But since we're just gonna finish the edge and fold it up once, this is called a single folded hem. So the first step is finishing the raw edge, and there are multiple ways you can do this. You can zigzag it, you can overcast it, you can use the serger. So choose your favorite method and finish the raw edge of the hem. Today I'm going to be using the zigzag stitch on my sewing machine because I know everyone has a regular sewing machine with a zigzag stitch on it. So I selected my zigzag stitch and I made it a little wider and a little longer since I have a really thick wool fabric here. So when you're doing the zigzag stitch, you want to make sure that you're placing your fabric in the center of the foot so that way the zigzag is binding the edge of the raw fabric. Also make sure you backstitch. When you get to where you started, backstitch and cut or pull out your project and cut your threads. Now that we have the edge finished with the zigzag stitch, this is going to prevent the garment from falling apart when you wash it and wear it. Who wants threads hanging out of the hem of their garment or project? Nobody. So make sure you finish that edge. So let's take a look at it. The zigzag stitch is a really nice, simple way to finish the raw edge of a piece of fabric. You can see right here, it just blends into the edge of the fabric, and we have it wrapping around the edge so that way nothing is going to fray. If you're enjoying this video so far, make sure you subscribe to Sew Anastasia and hit the notification bell so you know when all the new videos come out. And if you're already a subscriber, thank you so much for watching. Now back to creating that single folded hem. Now it's time to fold up the hem. So we're gonna fold up the hem towards the inside of the garment and we're going to pin it down. I'm folding mine up a ½ inch, but yours could be an inch, it could be a ¼ inch, it could be 3/8, it could be 3 inches. So you choose how much you're going to fold up your fabric to the inside of your project, pin it down, and now let's head over to the sewing machine and sew it down. So when we're stitching this down, we want to stitch by the raw edge. So right on the outside of the zigzag stitch here, let's say at least an 1/8 or a ¼ inch away from the raw edge that's here with the zigzag. If you're too close to the edge, it's going to come undone during the wash or wear. And if you're way over here by the fold, the edge of the fabric is going to flap out and then you're going to see it when you're wearing it. So you want to be close to where your cut line is for the fold. So depending on the machine you have an option of placing your fabric in the center and moving your needle position over, or just moving your fabric over so that your needle position is on the left side here. So I like to place my fabric in the middle, and then I'm going to move my needle position over to the left, right where I want it, so that way it's by the zigzag stitch. Now I'm using a contrasting thread here in bright red and pink on the bobbin, so that way you can see it. So make sure you're using a matching thread for your project so it looks nice and extra neat. And don't forget to back stitch at the beginning and at the end. And let's work our way all the way around. back stitch when you get to where you started and cut. We finished the hem and it's beautiful looking, so let's take a look. So you can see how nice and finished the outside of the garment looks, and you can see the pink stitch here, but imagine if it was blue, it would blend right in and be beautifully hemmed. And then on the inside here, we have our zigzag stitch finishing the raw edge, and then our other stitch here, which you can see in red. So that's the back side of that pink stitch. And that's it. Single folded hems are so easy to create. So now you can hem everything and anything in your wardrobe or your house. Thanks so much for watching Sewing Anastasia today. If you have any questions about creating a single folded hem, make sure you leave it down below and I will get back with you as soon as I can. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, give it some applause, and leave a comment down below. And if you're not already a subscriber to Sewing Anastasia, make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell. And if you're already a subscriber, thank you so much for watching Sewing Anastasia. And don't forget, I now have merch, so you can support Sewing Anastasia by grabbing some merch. So check out those little thumbnails down below and grab yourself a t-shirt, a sweatshirt, or a mug and support Sewing Anastasia. And don't forget, I also teach sewing classes in my design studio in Chicago, Illinois, and I teach virtual sewing lessons as well. So you can check those out at sewinganastasia.com. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.